Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning about things that we find inside the house. First of all, the word for bed in isiXhosa is ibhedi. The word for chair is isitulo. The word for table is itafile. The word for television is ithelevizhini. The word for door in isiXhosa is umnyango. And the word for window is ifestile. So, we have ibhedi, itafile, ithelevizhini, isitulo, umnyango, and ifestile. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.